Hi beauties, this is my 4-year-old niece. She is starting school soon, so I wanted to share her wash and style day process with you. This is my first time washing her hair, and I've heard her wash days are usually a huge fight, so we had a nice little chat before I started the video to ensure her that everything will be okay. Now she is a character, so I wanted to share and let you hear some of our conversation as I prepared to wash her hair.
Okay, you ready to get a wash? All right. Water's on. Put this around you so you don't get wet, okay? Wait, hold it up. Hold it up like this. There you go, okay? You okay? I'm right here, okay? I'll make sure nothing happens to you, okay?
I'm not gonna cry, I'm not gonna move.
Good job. You gonna be a big girl? All right. Okay, I'm gonna turn the sprayer on, okay?
I'm looking at my cat.
Are you looking at the cat?
I want to look at this video.
All right, your hair's gonna get wet. You feel it? Is it too hot?
No, it's too cold.
It's too cold? Okay, it's gonna get warmer, okay?
Now it's warm.
It's warm. Let me know if it gets too hot, okay?
It's too hot.
It's too hot? Okay, I'll change it. That better?
Yeah, it's too cold.
It's too cold? You silly girl.
It's too cold.
Okay, I'm gonna change it. All right, let's see what happens.
Oh, it's too cold again.
It's getting warmer.
It's getting too cold. It's too cold now. It's cold again.
It's cold again. It's gonna warm up. It tickles. It tickles. You gotta get it clean.
As you may have heard at the beginning, she said, I'm not gonna cry and I'm not gonna move. So overall, I think she did great today. She really calmed down a lot, and I think the iPad helped distract her a bit too. Now I have no clue what she's watching, so please do not ask me. But I will say even her dad was shocked at how calm she was. I told him before we started I could handle it, but being the big brother that he is, and also knowing how big of a fight she puts up anytime they wash her hair, he told me he had to see it to believe it. So I called him in to let him see for himself, because he walked out when she was having a slight panic at the beginning before I started videoing.
Oh, that's the only way you gonna chill and get your hair washed, huh? Now she chilling.
Yeah.
Look at that.
For her wash day, I kept things pretty simple. For the shampoo, I used the Aussie Kids 3-in-1. I used it as a pre-poo, so that's what you saw in her hair at the beginning of the video. And I also use it now when I'm washing her hair. So once I rinsed that out, I applied it again to fully cleanse her hair. Then I followed up with Aunt Jackie's Not Today leave-in conditioner. And I let that sit in her hair for a few minutes before I worked it through her strands.
water in my hair.
Don't be quiet. Hold the tablet up so I get the towel. You ready to be a big girl and sit up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sit this down. I'm gonna help you, okay? You ready?
Daddy? Yeah, Dad.
Alright, put this around you so you don't get wet.
Is Daddy going?
No, he's still here. He's in the room.
I think he's in there.
I know, he's in the other room. He didn't go away.
I put
Did your
away.
shirt get wet?
Yeah.
No? Good job.
There's bugs.
No, there isn't. I'm gonna pause that. Ready?
Oh, yeah.
So once again, here are the products that I use for her wash day. The Aussie 3-in-1 Kids. Along with Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch. I did say not today, but it's not on my watch. And then I followed up with the Aussie Kids Detangler. Now, as I said, I let the Aunt Jackie's sit on her hair for a bit, and I also sprayed the detangler spray. And now I'm just working everything through before I start styling. To see how I styled my niece's hair for her first day of school, you would have to stay tuned. This is only part 1 of her wash day. There will be a part 2 to show the complete style and her first day of school, how excited she was. So, as always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've used any of these products that I mentioned, please let me know down below in the comments your thoughts on it.